was heated up to 164. Mixed 12 quarts into the 10 pounds of grain, and it settled out at 152 in there. I'm going to try a couple degrees higher mash temperature this time. And so we'll let it go for an hour, and then we'll rinse it out. I wish it was a real Stroh's from Detroit. That was great beer. Mash temperature's fluctuating quite a lot when I stir it up. It's at 149 now, so I'm taking a little bit of it and bringing it to a boil, mixing it in, so I can try to get the temperature back. Well, after several decoctions, I got it back up to 153, and I learned that you have to let the grain boil for 2 or 3 minutes. Even though it looks like it's boiling, it's not at boiling temperature. The grain isn't. So I measured the temperature and got it up to 200, and then mixed it in here and got it back to where it should be. But I'm surprised at all the different, it's not uniform temperature in there. It's very very mixed, not mixed up enough, I guess. So, we'll have to just be more attentive to that in the future. So I just had this great idea. What I normally do to pour the 13 quarts of water, 164 degree water, into the mash tun is to hold this here and fill it up 4 times and dump it in. You know, I get burnt, it's heavy, I almost tip it out, the water cools off. So I just figured out that I put a ruler across the top, and then I measure down with another ruler and to the water level that's in there now, which is 13 quarts lower than the 10-gallon mark, which is right there on the keg. That's where I filled it up to. So 9.5 inches down equals 12 quarts. So I'm going to make a little wooden thing that'll sit on here and have a stick go down in there, and I can just run the water into the mash tun next time until it hits the end of the stick. Genius. Adding the boil hops, 1.5 ounce of Saz leaf. They smell great. I'm still collecting the wort, and I've just I haven't got the heat on here, but I put the hops in there, and kind of like first wort hopping, where you let the hops sit in the wort before you get it going. We're gonna just try that. I used to do it all the time before, but we'll see how it works with this. Well, my saucer idea didn't work to deflect the sparge water from going down the side, but I think something like this piece of aluminum foil will do just fine. Alright, tap water is like at 74, so I have a rather elaborate chilling system here. I'm going to chill the water that goes into the plate chiller from the tap, and then I'm going to chill the wort that comes out of the plate chiller before I put it in the fermenter. So here's the yeast from the last brew. I'm going to add that to the fermenter now. So there it is, 5 gallons in there. And this last reading I took says 1.052, so I'm not exactly sure of the gravity, but here we go.